TR is increasing here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, but TR is increasing. TR is increasing at a constant rate. At a constant rate. See, TR increases by 10. TR increases by 10, by 10, by 10, by 10, by 10. It means under perfect competition market, TR increases at a constant rate. Constant rate. But how will you explain? Means condition of TR, condition of AR, and condition of MR. You can say position of TR, position of AR, and position of MR. First of all, please pause the video and note this table. See, how will you explain AR curve under perfect competition? See, average AR average revenue curve under perfect, or you can say AR curve is perfectly. See, now you can write here AR curve, average revenue curve is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means horizontal straight line. Horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis under perfect competition. Under perfect competition market. Now see here, value of AR remains same. Value of AR remains same under perfect competition market, or you can say value of AR remains same at all levels of output. At all levels of output under perfect competition market, because price remains constant. So AR curve is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis under perfect competition market, because see, because AR value is equal to, because AR values are equal to price values. Price values. See, value of AR, values of AR equal to values of price. Values of price. It means that, see, or you can say price value and AR values, AR and MR curve will coincide each other, because both AR and MR same, or you can say under perfect competition market. See, now how will you explain this table? AR curve, average revenue curve, is perfectly elastic. Why is it perfectly elastic? Because horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis under perfect competition market. under perfect competition market, because AR values are equal to price values, means AR values are equal to price values. Now this is first conclusion of this table, this is second conclusion, or you can say, you can cut because here. Now AR values are equal to price values. Is it clear? Now this is the second conclusion of this table. Values of AR are equal to values of PR. Now this is third conclusion. AR and MR curve will coincide each other because both AR and MR same under perfect competition market. This is the third conclusion of this table. Means you can analyze the situation of average revenue curve under perfect competition market. See, average revenue curve is perfectly elastic under perfect competition market, and values of AR are equal to values of price. And third, AR and MR curve will coincide, means AR curve will coincide MR curve because both AR and MR same under perfect competition market. So I hope all of you have understood. Means first of all you will prepare a table according to this condition. When price remains constant, see, you will take any value of output. You will take any level of, we can say, any value of output, means you up to 7 unit, 6th unit, 5th unit, it's up to you. Then after you will take price, but price should be constant, and you can take any value of price, but price should be constant. Then after you will calculate TR, AR, MR, and then after you will explain situation of AR curve. Then after you will explain situation of MR curve. Then after you will explain situation of TR curve. Now how will you explain situation of AR curve according to this? I hope all of you have understood. Now how will you explain situation of MR curve? So first of all, please pause the video and note down this. See, according to this table, means shape of MR will be like this. Means you will take MR on the y-axis and output on the x-axis. So MR will be like this according to this table. But how will you explain? See here. Marginal revenue curve is perfectly elastic. Means this curve is perfectly elastic. Perfect elastic means horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. Now I hope this is clear. Under which market? Perfect competition market. Perfect competition market. I hope this explanation is clear according to this curve or this curve, these values. See now, see, because additional amount. See, marginal revenue means additional amount remains same. From the sale of an additional unit. I hope all of you, means if you sell additional unit, you will get 10 rupees. 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 So I hope all of you have understood means how you explain position of MR curve under perfect competition market. Now see after this MR value is equal to AR and price is equal to AR and price value. So I hope all of you have understood. See this. Now see TR is increasing. TR is increasing here at a constant rate. See change is same. Change is same. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And you know that TR is the summation of MR. TR is the summation of MR. So you can say like this: MR measures the slope of TR. Slope of TR. MR measures slope of TR. So TR increases at a constant rate. TR increases at a constant rate. So I hope all of you have understood. See, this is the first conclusion of MR curve. Up to this is the second conclusion of this table, and this is the third conclusion of this table. So please pause the video and note down this. See next revenue curve means TR, total revenue curve is positively straight line under perfect competition market, because TR curve will be like this. See, TR curve will be like this according to this table. This is positively sloped straight line, means curve is positively sloped. You can write here positively sloped straight line under perfect competition market. See, TR increases at a constant rate. TR increases at a constant rate. So this is the explanation of TR. Means total revenue curve is positively sloped straight line under perfect competition market. You can analyze here according to this table. Means when you will plot value of TR with the value of output in diagram, you will get this type of TR curve, means positively sloped straight line. TR increases at a constant rate because MR is constant. So I hope all of you have understood. Means this explanation means explanation of total revenue curve. What do you mean by this? You know that TR is equal to sigma MR, means summation of MR. So I hope all of you have understood. Means shape of, or you can say position of total revenue curve, average revenue curve and marginal revenue curve under perfect competition when price remains constant. First of all, means you will prepare this type of table, then after you will explain like in this way. So I hope Please pause the video and note down this. See, what is the shape of revenue curve under perfect completion? You know that parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis. AR, and what is the shape of MR under perfect competition when price remains constant? MR means parallel to x-axis, and this is again parallel to x-axis, but TR curve under perfect competition will be like this, means positively sloped straight line, positively sloped straight line, positively sloped straight line. So I hope all of you have understood, means what is the shape of AR curve under perfect competition parallel to x-axis, what is the shape of MR under perfect competition parallel to x-axis, and what is the shape of TR curve under perfect competition, means positively sloped straight line in perfect competition mark. So please pause the video and note down this.